Thank you very much for joining me on this free video presentation. This free video presentation is going to show you how I make 2 million naira monthly using my social media accounts. Yes, I'm talking about Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. And you can copy these sources to make at least 250,000 naira monthly legitimately, just like my other students. Yes, this free video presentation is going to explain a lot of things, so I advise you put every other thing aside and listen and watch me as I present some eye-opening secrets to you today. So, and aside from that, we are also giving 10 brand new laptops for the first 10 people that is going to join me. Now let's get started. Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work. That is a quote by Thomas A. Edison. Now, all I'm trying to say here is a lot of people think making money online is a lot of work, but or they think it's impossible for them to make money online. But that is because they are not exposed, and they feel anything that has to do with make money online is scam. That is completely false. Today I'm going to prove to you, even as a Nigerian, that you can make a living by just operating your mobile phone and doing one or two things. When I mean one or two things, I mean just by operating your Facebook account, social media accounts like Instagram and WhatsApp as well. And this is going to bring money to you. Now let's go ahead. Who am I? I am Paul Christopher Omoshikeji. This is my photo here, as you can see, and I am the CEO of CloudWorld Innovation. I'm going to talk to you how I went from being broke in a lonely Badagry village to building a business empire that made me over 40 million naira, and also running my business using social media. I'm talking about Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. Like I said before, for all those people that think you can't make money online, I'm going to prove you wrong today. So I will advise you put every other thing aside, as I don't want this video to be too long, and I just want to take you through all the steps so that we don't extend things for too long. I expect the video not to be longer than an hour or even lesser, but there are eye-opening secrets that I'm going to reveal to you today. So today, this is my real face on the right hand side here, and I am the CEO of CloudWorld Innovation. I'm going to show you a lot of proofs and not just about talking. Now, this is the picture of my very first car in 2014. As you can see it, you can see me when I was very, very young compared to what I look like now. It's all from internet business. You can also see me, the picture of me and my beautiful girlfriend here. We're also planning to get married, and I'm sure I'm going to invite all of you as well. Okay, why are you here? My aim of making this video is to help only 10 serious Nigerians by setting up the same business that made me millions of naira. And this same 10 serious people is going to make a minimum of 250,000 naira monthly. And I personally, Paul Christopher Omoshikeji, makes over 2 million naira monthly, and I will show you proofs. This is just the little one of what I'm going to show you. Now let's get started. I started internet marketing far back in 2010, but I spent over 3 years trying to figure out exactly what was working for me. It is normal to be broke, but abnormal to be poor. Yes, if you are poor today, it is not normal, but being broke is normal. So, who is Paul Christopher? I'm also a blogger, an affiliate marketer, and I have made over $90,000 alone from Google. For those that knows Google AdSense, and that know those are the Google AdSense is for bloggers that accept Google's adverts on their blog. Now I'll show you proof of the $90,000 as well. I think that's over 30 million naira in today's words. What it means is that I'm versatile, and when I tell you what works, believe me. Well, let's just take a look at my screenshot. This is exactly my screenshot of my Google AdSense account. You can see the $90,000, and please take a look at the time frame here, February 1st, 2015 to August 26th, 2018. I'm recording this video as of August 26th. Now, this is over 31, almost 30, approximately 32 million naira alone from blogging. And I'm not telling you about blogging. I'm just showing you this proof that I'm versatile. And no, this is completely not about blogging. It's a different program entirely. You have to be ready. Will you be among the 10 lucky people that I'm talking about? Well, you are going to learn a lot from this free video presentation. So if you love to make money online, you have to stay and watch this video till the end. Like I said, if you have a mobile phone right now or other things, or you are watching your TV, I advise you put every other thing off and go with me as I start and show you exactly everything and reveal secrets that most people will want to reveal to you. And as well, I want to tell you that I'm not selling anything. I'm not selling any video course. I'm not selling any seminar or anything. So this is a complete free presentation. I have helped hundreds of people make money online. I grew from being a very poor boy to growing into the man I really want to be, building my own house and also buying the cars I love to drive. So even if you are a graduate and you have no job, or you are still a student, or frustrated by working all day for someone else, and you want to build a business on the side, this is for you. Be it there's no age limit to joining me. So let's go ahead. I didn't show you my last proof to brag about anything. I'm just trying to tell you that there's always light at the end of a tunnel. Now, more brief information about myself. I attended a series of seminars from the likes of Mr. Akin Alabi, the owner of NairaBet, the popular NairaBet.com that you know, Sir Ronald Inzumura, a world-class business coach and master marketer, Sir Patrick Ogidi, aka Babamuna, and so on. Don't let anyone fool you. There's a lot of work to be done, but nothing good comes easy. Even if you think you know it all, you can not know everything. So don't be carried away. Don't be carried away by what you know. What you know is in your pocket. What I'm about to show you now is completely different. It's something I can assure you that you don't know about. Now, I was able to take action on things I learned in the past rather than learning new things always. Now, taking action is very, very important. It's not just about learning new things always. Forget about the new things you want to learn. Take action on what you learn. It is very, very important. Well, you know the likes of Lasisi, Wole Agba, Jane Mena, and many of them, those comedians on Instagram. Do you know they charge as much as 500,000? Even the funny man, the funny comedian that charge as much as 750,000 naira. That's Charles Okocha. He charges as much as 750,000 for an advert skit for just a minute video, and they are using their social media to get this money. So if you still think you can't make money online, this video is not for you. I advise you close this video. But for the serious one, let's go into detail. Now I'm about to reveal to you a business that has generated over 40 million naira in cash, and how every day for me is Christmas because I steadily receive alerts on a regular. This same opportunity has helped me build my house and have enough capital to invest in so many offline businesses. Let's assume you want to pay rent of 300,000 naira. Now, if you are doing anything again, I will advise you put them aside and listen and also watch this video because I'm about to reveal a lot of things, how you can raise a lot of money for yourself. Now, let's assume you are owing your landlord about 300,000 naira for rent, and you have to pay it in the next 30 to 50 days. But then you have just 60,000 naira left with you. What will you do? Do you have a phone, a Facebook account, or any other social media account? Facebook especially. Then I'm going to show you how you can raise 300,000 naira in the next 30 to 50 days. My students have done it. I've shown and I've taught a lot of people that are consistently making at least 500,000 naira now, and I will show you those proof as well. Now, Facebook has over 16 million monthly active Nigerians. What does this mean? It means you can sell to 16 million people. You can put your brand out there to 16 million people, and 100% of these people access Facebook via mobile. Now let's get to more details. All you need to be able to raise the 300,000 naira, let's assume you are owing your landlord 300,000 naira for rent and you have just 50 days to pay. All you just need is 50 people from this 16 million naira, from this 16 million active Facebook users. Here's what I need to do to get my 50 people. I'm going to visit my 3 special hidden websites. I call them my golden nuggets. When I visit this special website, I will look for any product that I can buy for just 350 naira to 740 naira, which is $1 to $2. And this product, I'm going to sell them for a minimum of 10,000 naira or more easily here in Nigeria. You can visit AliExpress as well, but the website I'm talking about is not just AliExpress. There are more better websites. We are talking about exceptional products that can turn into huge profit for you. You may ask me, why would somebody buy a product for 8,000 naira and sell for 10,000 naira? Yes, you can do that, but it has to be a problem-solving product. Now, you don't expect to go to buy import shoes, buy bags and clothes, and then you expect to sell them, buy them 1,000 and sell them for 10,000. It's not possible, because when you inflate price like that, people will know that the price range is way too much. I'm talking about real exceptional products. Once a product is a solving product, that's a problem solver, then people must buy it. It's something I've done over and over again. If you are able to get a problem solving product, you'll see people beg you to buy it. Now, how do you know a product that will sell? How do you know it's solution solving product? And also, all these things are what I'm going to show you within the next few minutes. So put down your pen and paper. Like I said, put down every other thing you are doing, your mobile phone, your TV, and watch and listen attentively. Because I am only going to take 10 serious Nigerians, and these 10 people, in fact, I give them the next 30 days, they would give testimonies. What are hot selling products? I want to let you know that I don't reveal hot selling products. Why? Because even my best friend in the industry, when I mean industry, I mean internet marketing industry, they can't show me their own hot selling products, because when they show me, I can just place this hot selling products on Facebook, and then I'll start getting people that will be begging me to buy it at my own desired price. So it takes a lot of research and testing for you to get one hot selling product, but only one hot selling product, can turn you into a multi-millionaire. Like I said before, I only need 10 serious Nigerians that will gain full access to my hot branded products. This hot branded product will cough out millions in months to come, and I'm going to prove it to you today. But then let me reveal some secrets to you, because I want you to learn everything here. Like I said, you are going to learn a lot from this very free video presentation, better than most courses that you have paid for. And I repeat, I am not selling anything to you. Now, let's get started. Hot selling niches. Hot selling niches like security and safety products. It could be, when I mean security and safety products, it could be all those kids monitor, webcam, and the rest. There's money in those products. Also, health and exercise. This is where the hot money is. When I'm talking about health and exercise, I mean weight loss products, slim tea, waist trainers. For example, we also have other health products, but I'm not going to reveal more than what is here. Now, I have a student that also got into my 10 serious people last year when I offered it. And this student went ahead to sell over 2,000 pieces of waist trainer. She bought the waist trainer for less than 1,000 naira and sold for 12,000 naira each. And you can do the multiple 2,000 naira, 2,000 pieces of waist trainer times 12,000. But that's the general revenue, but not profit. Now, all some other profit-making niches are beauty. When I'm talking about beauty, there is a lot of things to talk about in beauty, but I pick here teeth whitener as an example. Also, I myself sold more than 2,000 pieces of teeth whiteners. These teeth whiteners, I bought them even for less than $1. This product will sell a lot because they solve a particular problem. Now let me show you this particular teeth whitener that you are seeing on my screen now costs just 0.78 cents, which is less than $1. And one thing I need you to know is even you can get it even cheaper than this 0.78 when you contact and negotiate with the manufacturers in China. So now I will negotiate. Let's assume I'm going to negotiate this product to probably 0.60 cents and then buy 50 pieces of each, which is about $30. Now 370 naira, which is the current conversion rate, times 30 naira is equal to 11,100 naira. So let's assume we have 60,000 naira and want to multiply 60,000 naira to raise 300,000 naira to pay our landlord that we are owing rent. So from this 60,000 naira, and we bought 50 pieces of this teeth whitener, for example, we are going to have 48,000 naira left, right? 48,900 naira. You can find such products yourself. There are a lot of products. Explore yourself. Go to aliexpress.com. You can find a lot of products there, problem-solving products. And I even have way more cheaper sites that you can get these products. I want you to learn. That's why I'm showing this for free. And it's also going to be an eye-opener for everybody. That is why I want you to consider being among the 10 serious people I'm going to hold by the hand. Because there's a lot more to find out that I can't explain here in this very short video. Then after getting this item, I'll get in touch with my shipping company in China that will bring my item to my doorstep as fast as possible. And this item won't be shipped for more than 10,000 naira. I mean this 50 item, because they are lightweight. Which means if we should remove 11,100 from the 60,000 naira, we have 48,900 back down, and for shipping we move additional 10,000 naira. It means we have 38,100 naira left, right? When I'm talking about shipping company, I'm not talking about FedEx or DHL. I'm talking about way more better companies in China that will just take 72 hours or even less to ship your product down to your doorstep here in Nigeria. So you are going to ask me, what is next? Now that we've gotten the product and we've shipped it down to Nigeria and we have about 38,000 plus left, what is next? That is where marketing comes in. I will log into my Facebook account, set an advert of $10 per day, which is about 3,700 naira, and I will set it to run for 5 good days, which takes a total of 18,500, which is $50. Let's also deduct this 18,500 naira from the advert cost. So we have about 19,600 naira left with us. With this 19,600, we are going to use it to do other runarounds. Will this make me money? Or will this product sell? We are going to find out. Yes, it will. With my smart Facebook marketing method, you will be able to get at least 10 orders daily. This simply means that I should be able to sell about 50 pieces of these teeth whiteners. Let's say, for example, we get that teeth whiteners. So we are going to sell at least 50 pieces of the teeth whiteners in just 5 days. And if I'm selling each at 10,000 naira and I sell 50 pieces of it, it equals to 500,000 naira. Mind you, this is not all profits, because we are still, the 500,000 naira is just the revenue. We are still going to remove the money for adverts and money and the courier money, that's the money to ship to these customers. But trust me, you are going to have a lot of money as profit. I've done this before and I still do it, and I will continue to do it because e-commerce works. Now, this is an example of one of my adverts on my page. You can see the amount of views I got here. I got about 150,000 people reached. It has about 45,000 views, and you can see, please, how can I get it? People will continue begging you on how to get your product if you know how to do it. Now, this is a proof of the items delivered as well. You can see Cloudworld Innovation, which is my company, product delivered, as you can see it on this screen. And you can see July 24th, which is this year, last month. This is also more proofs of item delivered. You can see July 31st. You can see how many was delivered in a day. And I even have more, but I'm not here to brag about anything, but instead open your eyes to see more on how you can make money. Now let's continue. I'm going to pay an average of 2,500 naira each for delivery. This 2,500 naira times 50 is about 125,000 naira. So from a total sales of 500,000, we remove 125,000 naira as the delivery fee. We still have the balance of 375,000. With this, I should be able to pay my house rent and have an extra cash to keep running my business. Like I said, just this simple, you are going to cover up the money to pay your house rent within 30 to 50 days. This is something I do, and I'm going to provide proofs to you. Here are some random proofs I want you to see, and I need you to take note that you have no right to copy any of my proofs, as I'm going to have my lawyers come after you if you do this. Trust me, they have no chill. This is 65,000 naira delivered in a day. This is a product that I sell for 7,500 naira. You can see they were all delivered particularly in a day. This is another proof of 60,000 naira delivered in another day. That is about 125,000 naira in 2 days. Now let me show you more proofs. You can see cash remittance, Cloudworld Innovation. They wrote Cloudworld here. That's a mistake from the company. You can see transaction alert of 337,610 naira. You can also see 154,000 plus and another alert of 298,000 naira. Let me show you more proofs. These are more proofs for May. I'm going to show you proofs for each month from the last few months till date. You can see 127,000, 432, 244, 233, 50,000 naira, and more, 100,000 naira. Now, this is more proofs for June. You can see a serious alert of 1.9 million, which is approximately 2 million from a courier service company. You can see 55,000, 350,000 naira as well. So let's go to the proofs for July. More proofs for July. You can see 32,000 naira, 460, 100,000 naira. Let me show you more in August, which is the current month. You can see in August, I see add 105,000, 30,000, 143, 20,000, 30,000, 1.6 million approximately, and more 20,000. Now, this looks easy, right? It is not this easy, but it is. This is just the basic step of what I'm going to do. But do you want to get started? I mean, selecting a product to buy that will make you minimum of 250,000 naira monthly, operating from your house. You don't need to quit your job. Excuse me? You don't need to do any other thing. Even if you are a student, all you just need to do is operate it as a side business until you are so buoyant financially, and then you can make more. Now I want to show you how to get started immediately, because I know you really want to get started immediately, but you are still deliberating on how to get started immediately. I have shown you all the basic steps to take, and even how to choose top quality products, but there are thousands of products to choose from. Now, this is exactly why I want to mentor only 10 serious people. When I mean 10, I mean 10. As you can see here, I'm not taking the 11th and the 12th men. I'm only taking 10 because I also have serious business to run, which limits my time. And I only want to take 10 serious people to join me, that I'm going to hold them by the hand. So even if you are watching this video around 12, 11, 12, just message me. I will be there to reply you. And if I'm unable to reply you in the morning, you'll be the first person I'm going to reply. Like I said, even at 12 midnight, I or my staff will respond to you, even if I'm not online. So you'll be getting every single thing you need to know about this business and how to run it successfully. Here's the deal. I'll be doing a complete e-commerce money spinning setup for only 10 serious Nigerians this year. And we just have few months left in this year, right? We are talking about September, October, November, and December. We just have few months left in this year. So you can still make at least maybe $1 million, 2 or even 5 million if you are serious, like I do currently. If a girl of 18 years old can do it, you can do it as well. And if I also have a man of about, I think, 60 something years old that joined me last year in the year 2016. Yes, 2016 and 2017. I also had somebody else join me in the year 2017. These people are constantly making more than they can handle. When I mean more than they can handle, they even call me to thank me every time and send me 10% tithes sometimes to appreciate. Now, these 10 people, I'm going to personally mentor them on how they can handle this business successfully. The main question here is, will you be among the 10 people? Now, the advantage of joining me is that there's a lot of advantages. When I mean a lot of advantages, you'll be able to handle this business on your own. There's no age limit, no qualification needed or CV needed to join this business. As a matter of fact, it is meant for people, only serious people that completely knows nothing about this business. Newbies, I mean. People that don't even know anything about this business can also handle me and join. Here's more proof of one of my students, Mr. Shedrack Thomas, I think it's from Jos. Hello, Mr. Paul. I want to appreciate your efforts on training and products you sent. I was able to run my adverts and sell off the first 25 products in 2 days. That's amazing. I was even surprised. My heart is filled with joy as I already ordered for 100 more of the same products, and I'm sure I'll sell them out in the next 7 days. I'll send out my first tithes to show appreciation. Like I said before, I have people sending me tithes. I'm not a pastor, no, but I have them just sending me appreciation, 10% of what they earn, and which I really do appreciate as well. He said, "Thank you, sir. I really appreciate God for sending you to my life." This is the 18-year-old LASU girl I talked about. She currently makes above 300,000 naira monthly. Good day, Mr. Paul Christopher. My name is Demilade, the smallest girl among those you mentored last year during your training. I really want to thank you for the eye-opening seminar. May I remind you that I'm just 18 years old, and I can boldly tell you that I no longer ask for money from my parents because I make at least 100,000 to 150,000 naira monthly, even with my busy schedule as a student. I have been able to save close to $500,000 naira already within the past 3 months. Amazing. She's saving this 3 million this money for her masters in the UK, like you can see here, and she said, "I can't thank you enough for giving me the opportunity. God bless you, sir." Now, like I was saying, I'm going to pick only 10 serious people. I'm about to round up this video. So, talking about the 10 people, I will handle the research of the hot selling product for these 10 serious people. I normally charge 75,000 naira for this because just one hot selling product can change you into a multi-millionaire just in months. So, as a matter of fact, I don't even show people my hot selling products because it will rather make them more money than it will make me. So, why review an hot selling product that I can use to make money for myself? This is part of the reason why I chose only 10 people to work with. And for these 10 people, I will pay for the goods personally with my own MasterCard. I will also clear the goods from China, and also pay my local courier service to deliver the products to them in Nigeria. I will also give them my copy and paste video secrets on how to properly run Facebook adverts. When I mean my copy and paste secret, this secret is going to show them the secrets on how to get people rushing you, begging you to buy your products. This is my special copy and paste method, and I don't reveal it to people except people in my circle. I will also link them to my personal courier service that will help them ship to their customers once they start making sales, and they will pay. This courier service is going to pay to their account. These sure couriers ensures successful delivery on your products. What they do is, when somebody orders for the product on Facebook, this courier service takes these products and help you deliver to your customers, and then they remit the money straight to your bank account. I will also supply these 10 people with a minimum of 15 to 100 pieces of very hot selling products. Like I said alone, this alone I charge 75,000 for. Just like this image that you are going to see. I will also give them my e-commerce marketing Facebook video. Sorry, I forgot to add the image here, so let's continue. I will also give them my e-commerce marketing Facebook video that is valued at 20,000 naira. This e-commerce marketing video has a lot of secrets. It also covers how to run this business on your own. And with this e-commerce video, you don't need to do anything. You will be able to run the business on your own after my first setup. Now, how will they make money? I know this is the major question most people ask when it comes to online businesses and internet marketing. Let's take an example. Mr. James gets 15 pieces of a product, then sell for 12,000 naira, and then he runs an advert on Facebook. After paying courier service and all, he has 7,000 naira profit left. Let's do the calculation. From the 12,005, he's going to remove the money he used in importing the product. He's going to remove the money in running Facebook adverts, and also remove the money at an average of 2,000 to 2,500 naira for the courier delivery fee, and then he has a profit of 7,000 naira left. Let's do the math. 7,000 times 15, isn't that 105,000 naira pure profit? So if Mr. James repeats this process twice a month, it's simply pure profit of 315,000 naira. Or even start selling up to 50 pieces within 2 weeks. Do the math yourself. Just imagine how much Mr. James can make. This is exactly how much you can make. There is no limit. Now I want you to pay attention. Pay serious attention here. I have 4 ways of helping each of the 10 serious people. There are I think there are 4 to 5 groups. The first group is group 1, which is I call the beginners package. For the beginners package, I will get a minimum of 7 hot selling products, plus all other marketing techniques and video as added as well. It means 7 pieces multiplied by 7,000 naira. This means that anyone in this category will make a profit of at least 49,000 naira. Now for the group 2, the best package to start with. I would say this is the best package for anyone to start with. I'll get you a minimum of 15 pieces of super hot selling products, and you also get all my marketing techniques. Using this calculation, it equals to a profit of about 105,000 naira once you sell the 15 pieces. That's a lot. Imagine selling up to 100 a month. For the group 3, I'll get a minimum of 30 pieces, which amount to a profit of 210,000 naira once sold. Now let's go to the group 4. I will get a minimum of 60 pieces of hot selling product items, including all other marketing strategies and video that will help you sell these products within a week. This will amount to a profit of about 390,000 naira once they are all sold out for the people in group 4. And lastly, for people in group 5, they will get up to 140 pieces of hot selling items. This amounts to a profit of close to 1 million naira, which is 910,000 once it is sold out. And these people in this group will also get the laptop to start the business with. The people in this group will get the free laptop to start this business with. That's for people in the group 5. So if you are in any of this category, kudos to you. We are going to support you till the end and push you further till you start this business on your own. Okay, now I'm ready to join Mr. Paul Christopher. What do I do? All these products will also be imported to you through my special merchants and will be shipped along with other 10 people, the 10 serious people I'm talking about. It will be shipped to their addresses using my forwarding company. And you are going to get my super marketing technique guide that shows all on how to run this business on your own. When I mean running this business on your own, you will be able, after watching this video, you'll be able to handle this business just on your own without my help. You don't need to call Mr. Paul or WhatsApp me that you need help for so and so after watching this video. It is newbie proven method that has worked. If an 18-year-old girl can do this, a student of LASU, and currently makes 150 to 300,000 naira monthly, then who are you not to make this money? Now you want to join my setup. What's the cost to have this setup done for you? For group 1, those in the category of group 1, we are going to get a minimum of 7 hot selling products and marketing secrets with Facebook advert videos and all others, and also review my courier service. For people in the group 1, it's going to cost 38,500 naira. This covers the products, the shipping to Nigeria, and shipping to your address as well. After selling these products at the price of 12,000 naira or 12,500, you should get a profit of 45,000 naira to 49,000 naira as profits, as pure profit from this. This is for the group 1. I don't advise anybody starting with the group 1 anyway. So this group 2 is what is a starter package, because you are going to get a minimum of 15 hot selling products as well as my marketing secrets, my Facebook advert videos, and also link to my special courier service. For people in the group 2, it costs just 60,000 naira. And for group 2, there's a profit margin of 97,000 to 105,000 after selling these 15 pieces. Now let's go to group 3. Group 3 is going to get a minimum of 30 hot selling products and my marketing secrets with Facebook advert video as well. It's going to cost group 3 110,000 naira. And for anyone in this group 3, they are going to get a profit of 200,000 to 210 after selling. For people in group 4, they are going to get 60 hot selling products and also my marketing Facebook advert videos and a link to my courier service. For people in the group 4, it's going to cost 200,000 naira. For these people, there is a profit margin of 390,000 after sales. For people in the group 5, which is the final group, they are going to get a minimum of about 140 hot selling products. I repeat, 140 hot selling products, including my Facebook marketing advert videos and the links to my courier service and special training as well. And also, they are going to get free UK used laptop. For people in this category, it costs 380,000 naira only, with a profit margin of about 910,000 minimum. If you decide to sell your product for maybe 15,000 naira, if you are lucky to get a very hot selling product, which you can sell for 15,000, which equals to more profit for you. Now you have to jump in as fast as possible because it is going to close very soon. I'm not taking more than 10 people. I repeat, I'm only taking 10 people as I also have other things doing. Now, will you rather plan selling and making profits with your Facebook accounts and social media instead of complaining and gossiping about celebrities or how bad the country is? Here's a recap of what I will do for you. 1, I will research hot selling products for you. I will import the product and deliver it to your address. I will hand over my secret copy of how to get high sales on Facebook without issues. With this secret copy, people are going to beg you to sell your products. Now, I will also give you a link to my reputable and fast courier company that will pay money into your bank account after delivery. And finally, you will also get my marketing video so you can handle this business on your own, all by yourself. Here's a quick recap on how to partake and also the requirements. If you know you are interested in this, you have to call, SMS, or WhatsApp our business line to know if there's still a slot for you. Because as I'm speaking to you, this video is being viewed by over 20,000 people and it keeps growing. So here's the payment plan for the desired group. For group 1, it costs 38,500. Group 2, 60,000 naira. Group 3, 110,000. Group 4, 200,000 naira. And group 5, 380,000. And remember, the group 5 also gets a brand new laptop as well. The account number will not be given here. It will only be given to those that reaches out to us via call or WhatsApp. After payment, you can send payment details, your phone number, address, and bank pay to. And here's the phone number to call right away: 070-850-10705. Or you can also send a WhatsApp message to this same number, which is +23470-850-10705. Now there's a bonus for the first 5 people. If you join right away, you are going to get my marketing secret, traffic secret, that's worth about at 5,000 naira. You are going to get a 30 days mentorship program from me, Paul Christopher. For this, I charge nothing less than 150,000 naira for this. Lastly, you get an opportunity to meet me one-on-one to ask questions after you register for the setup. And I repeat, my 10 is my 10. Once I get the 10 people, I don't need more. I don't need your money. I just want those 10 people I'm going to help improve their life, help make money. I want to help them make a minimum of 250,000 naira a month. So now you should call immediately to know if you still have a slot, or you can WhatsApp me as well. My company name is still Cloud World Innovation, and our office is located at Igondo behind NNPC filling station. And our office hours is from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The phone numbers to call right away, like I said, I'm going to repeat them again: 070-850-10705. Or you can WhatsApp us on the same line. Note, I'm not going back on my words. 10 is my 10. I repeat, 10 is my 10. I won't go back on my words. Even if you are the 11th person, I won't take it, because my time is precious to me. And I want to handle these 10 people. I need to be able to handle just 10 people so that I can hold them by the hand and make sure these people start making a minimum of 250,000 naira consistently monthly. Thank you very much for watching this very short video, and I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Like I showed you, you can hop onto AliExpress, pick hot selling products, and go to Facebook, market it. I repeat, you should get on board before the 10 people get complete. Thank you very much once again. My name is Paul Christopher, the CEO of Cloud World Innovations. God bless you.